Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inspecting the transfer closely to judge depth and whether it's paint or clear coat scuff. Once you've assessed it, tape a perimeter to protect edges and clean the area with isopropyl 70% so dirt won't scratch. You should gather a microfiber towel, clay bar, and a small amount of rubbing compound. These are not optional. Start on a hidden spot to test reaction. This step prevents surprises and helps you choose the gentlest effective technique. You work methodically in small 2x2-inch sections so you can monitor progress and avoid overworking the paint. Apply a pea-sized amount of rubbing compound to a foam pad or microfiber, then polish with light, even pressure. Let the product do the cutting. Once the bulk transfers, switch to a clean clay bar lubricated with detail spray to lift finer particles. After each pass, wipe and inspect. If you see haze, remove it before continuing, because lingering residue hides remaining transfer. You finish by refining the surface. Use a fine polish to remove microholograms, then protect the area with wax or a paint sealant to restore gloss and resistance. Make sure to blend edges into surrounding paint to avoid visible transitions. If paint transfer is deep or you detect clear coat loss, stop and consult a professional rather than sanding aggressively. That can worsen damage. If unexpected scratches or haze appear, pause, reevaluate your test spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.